Hey, it's a turkey and Landon Galley, cheap little flower, coming at you from the privacy, the safety, and the beloved sanctuary of my first cousin Laurie and her beautiful foster child in North Carolina. At the time of this recording, it is March 14th, 2024. It is Thursday. Quick update. As far as the Ides of March, and with all of the group stalking, gang stalking, organized hate crimes, which are felonies, for all of the injustices, there has been no replacements made, no orders placed, no orders received, and no new emails. And the last donation to the Cash App had been Miss Teresa. Shout out to you, my love. Thank you. Beyond her, it's been nobody new, and no new Cash Apps. So I thought I'd make a little standalone this time just to keep it upbeat from being overlooked in the meat and potatoes of my other videos. So thank you for watching.